Transferring any of your embroidery designs to the BabyLock Solaris wirelessly is quick and easy with Palette 11 software. Let me show you. Bring the design that you want to transfer to the machine into the main screen of Palette 11, and then you're going to click on the Send button, and then choose Send to Network Machine and Sewing Machine. It tells me finished outputting data. That means that the design is transferred to the machine, and now we can find it. From the home screen of the Solaris, touch Embroidery, and then we're going to go into the memory pocket where things are stored, and we've got several selections, and we want to choose the wireless symbol, and then you'll see the design. Set, and now it's in the embroidery field and ready to be stitched. It's that simple. To learn more about the amazing Solaris or Palette 11 software, be sure to visit your local authorized BabyLock retailer.